and things, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And I mean the mothers that are grandmothers, second mothers, church mamas, stepmothers, everybody. Happy Mother's Day. I wasn't going to come on today. I was going to take this day to rest because all this week I've been hit with last minute Mother's Day wreaths to do, and I've been wiped out. I've had balloon decorations for different functions, for banquets and for proms. But I said, no, I want to do something I enjoy doing on my day, which is anything crafting. So I don't want to stay on long, but I got a couple of deliveries, and I want to share that with you guys. So in this box right here is a delivery from Unique in the Creek, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's reforms. I can't wait to share it with you. I've been waiting to get these forms in, and I'm so glad that they're finally in. Now, I went a little crazy when I ordered because I ran out and I couldn't get any. So I kind of got like 6 of each design that they have. So I made sure I have some for a while. I went and got the small frames, the small Unique in the Creek flower board frames. I love these, and these are perfect sizes to fit in your 20 either 20 by 20 by 4 boxes or 3 boxes, or your 22 by 22 boxes. These are great for that. So I got 6 of those. I can't wait to do these, ladies and gentlemen. Check this out. The angel forms boards, these angel forms. Oh, butterflies. You can do all type of designs with these. I can't wait. I also got, I haven't used these yet. I've seen some tutorials on them. So I've seen for Mother's Day, some people had done some attached some tulips all around for Mother's Day. More floral designs for spring and summer. I'm looking forward to doing something for the fall. Beautiful fall colors and foliage in this, with a beautiful fall sign in the middle, or some sort of hanging decor. I can't wait. My mind is just going crazy with designs I can do for this one. Here's the large board for the Unique in the Creek. These I love. I absolutely love these as well. Like I said, they're the large boards, so they make a pretty big flower. Pretty big flower. So I can't wait to do something with these too. Listen, don't hesitate. Place your orders. They have them in stock. It took me a while to get them, but you know, when you get them, it's going to be the best. Now, I haven't used these yet. This is the Christmas tree boards. I haven't used them yet. I've seen quite a few tutorials for it. So I'm looking forward to using these as well in the fall. But I think I've seen some people use it. They've done carrot designs with these. The candy corn designs with things. So you can use these not just for Christmas trees, but you can use them for different type of designs that you want to try to achieve. So I'm looking forward to figuring out what I'm going to do with this and using it and doing a tutorial and showing you guys. So this is what I got for you, Unique in the Creek. Let me put these back. Like I said, I can't wait. This is the large board. These are the loops. These are butterfly angel wing boards. And this is the small flower boards. So that's what I just got from Unique in the Creek, and I can't wait to get into them. Now, a couple of months ago, I actually got my wreath forms delivered from Wreaths of Joy, ladies and gentlemen. For some reason, they had a boatload of them, and I lucked out and was able to get a box full. Check this out, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this box. A box full of wreath forms. Right now, all the crafters out there know it is so hard to get some wreath forms. But you want to know what? I was smart enough and brought mine a couple of months ago. Check these colors out, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness. Let me move this over. Look at that. Look at this. And these are the 14-inch ones. They're raised. And look at the colors. Look at the colors. Oh my Lord. Do you see this lavender? Do you see this lavender? It's oh my goodness. Look at the purple. You got purple and lavender. Look at this. I can't wait. Can't wait. I am so glad I ordered them when they had them in stock. I'm not sure if they have them in stock now. You can go see. But for some reason, about a month or so ago, I went, and I don't know if they just got a shipment in and I was just lucky. But I'm so glad that I did. Look at this ice blue, light blue, ice blue. I see winter. I see spring. Oh my goodness. All type of Christmas. Oh, I just love it. Then here we go. We got the red. You know this is Christmas. You know this is Valentine's. You know this is Mother's Day. I mean, you can use this wreath for just anything. Red is all year round. I got a box full. This is the silver. So don't hesitate to go over to Wreaths of Joy and see if they have any wreath forms for you. Think I got, let's see if we got any other colors in here. Yeah, we do. What about this, ladies and gentlemen? I don't see these that much. Look at this bright yellow. Bright yellow. Stinking cute, just the way it is. I can't wait to put something on this. I know I got something upstairs. I think I got a flower frame that a flower little message board or something I can put on this. Oh yeah, this is gonna be summer all the way. You can also do fall with this beautiful sunflower wreath. Oh my goodness, you can just, I love that yellow. What other color we have? And mind you, this box was full, so I have several colors of each. I think I ordered maybe 3 or 4 of each color, so this box was full. This is the white. White is always good. You can use this all year round. Tinsel ties are in good condition. Real nice and fluffy. I love it. I love it. Their reforms are great. So, I'm not going to hold y'all any longer. I know it's Mother's Day. Like I said, I wasn't going to come on, but I like to do things craft, and that's what makes me happy. So I figured I'd do it on Mother's Day because it's what makes me happy. So to everyone out there, once again, happy Mother's Day. I hope you enjoy your day. And I hope to get on to see you sometime this week to do a video. I just got a couple of last minute orders for some more balloon decorations for some more school events. So I will be busy doing that at least up until Wednesday. And then after that, I probably can jump on and do a couple of wreaths with you guys. So look forward to seeing that. But until then, you guys be safe. Bye.